Hello students, today we will learn lesson number 2 of semester 2nd, the land of snow. The land of snow. The land of snow is Greenland. Now, Greenland is known as the land of snow and it's centered around the North Pole. Now, it's centered around the North Pole. The Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of Greenland. This region is known as the Northern Polar Region or Tundra region. The Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of Greenland and this region is known as the Northern Polar Region or Tundra region. Although Greenland lies in the continent of North America, it is the part of Denmark. Na? Greenland is the part of Denmark. Please remember, Greenland is the part of Denmark. Greenland is also called Kalalit Nunath. Greenland is also called Kalalit Nunath. The name has no relation with green because Greenland is almost barren and white, covered with snow throughout the year. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. See the location of Nuuk? Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. Greenland is the world's largest island. Greenland is the world's largest island. And most part of it is covered with thick ice sheet. Greenland is the world's largest island and most part of it is covered with thick sheet of ice. Sometimes huge pieces of ice break off and slide down into the sea. They are called icebergs. Sometimes huge pieces of ice break off and slide down into the sea. They are called icebergs. These icebergs look very beautiful. Now it's a look that mountains are floating in the water and only 10% of the iceberg is visible above the water and 90% of the iceberg is hidden under the water. Now 90% of the iceberg is hidden under the water. And these icebergs are very dangerous for ships passing through this region. In 1912, a huge ship called Titanic sank into the sea after hitting iceberg. In 1912, a huge ship called Titanic sank into the sea after hitting iceberg because only 10% is visible and 90% is hidden under the water. Climate of Greenland. Greenland has a polar climate. What type of climate of Greenland? Greenland has polar climate, Arctic type of climate. What type of climate? Arctic type of climate. It is very cold throughout the year and the lowest temperature recorded is minus 66 degrees Celsius in 1954 in the Greenland. In Greenland, in summer, the sun shines brightly all the 24 hours in most part of the island. The sun shines even in midnight. Therefore, Greenland is also called the land of midnight sun. The Greenland is also called the land of midnight sun. In winter, there is no sunlight because the sun does not rise above the horizon. There are months of darkness during winter. Vegetation. There is nothing in Greenland because of its extreme cold climate. However, during short summer, small grasses and some colorful plant grow in coastal area. Moses lynches grow in coastal area. Wildlife. Greenland has surprisingly rich wildlife. Animals that can withstand extreme cold are found in this island. Reindeer is most useful animal in Greenland. Other animals are polar bear, seal, whale, or then reindeer and huskies are found here. Life of the people. The native people of Greenland are called Eskimos, but most of them have now mixed with other Europeans. They are now called Greenlanders or Inuits. The native people are Eskimos, but most of them have now mixed with other Europeans, and they are now called Greenlanders or Inuits. Eskimos are short and stout. They have yellowish skin, high cheekbones, and narrow eyes. And what is their physical appearance? Eskimos are short and stout. They have yellowish skin, high cheekbone, and narrow eyes. They lead a very hard life. They wear hooded jacket called parkas, made of skin or seal of reindeers. People of Greenland during winter, the Eskimo lives in igloos made of ice block. Now, what are igloos? Igloos are made of ice blocks. During winter, the Eskimos live in igloos made of ice block. Modern igloos can be made of wood, stone, and skin. During summer, they live in skin tents called topics. During summer, they live in skin tent called topics. Occupation. The Eskimos are excellent hunter. They hunt seal, whale, and polar bear. In the past, they used bow and harpoons to hunt animal. And the Eskimo make use of almost every part of the hunted animal. They hunt animal and they make use of almost every part of the hunted animal. They use its flesh as food and use its fat as fuel to cook food. The bones and tendons are used to make needles and harpoons head. Transportation. In past, sledges were the main mean of transportation in Greenland. They were pulled by either strong dogs called huskies or reindeer. Sledges were pulled by reindeer or huskies. Small boats called kayaks, big boats called umek. When they hunt, they use small boats, kayak. In fishing, they use small boats, kayak, and big boats called umek. Cities. Now, Greenland city have air link with Europe and America. They now use motorized sledge called skidoo for transportation. This is the picture of skidoo. They use rifle and guns in the place or harpoon or for hunting. Earlier they used harpoons or bows for hunting. Now they use rifle and guns for hunting. There is compulsory and free education for children up to the age of 14. Nuuk and Sisimiut are major city of Greenland. Nuuk and Sisimiut are the major city of Greenland. Nuuk population is 18,000. What is the population of Nuuk? 18,000. I hope all of you understand this lesson. Thank you.